Have you been excited by Zendesk's intelligent triage features, but found that the available intents don't quite match the unique nature of your business? Well, now there's a feature just for you: custom intents. Gone are the days of requesting a custom intent from Zendesk and waiting weeks for it to be approved. You can now create your own custom intents instantly. Why is this so useful? It gives your team the ability to automatically triage all inbound tickets, regardless of how niche or bespoke your business is. For example, let's imagine you work for a charity and want to automatically triage all tickets about donors who want to increase their monthly contribution. Currently, there isn't a default intent provided by Zendesk to automatically triage these types of tickets. So let's go ahead and make our own. Click on Create Intent, give it a name, and then write a really useful description of 2 or 3 lines explaining exactly what the ticket will look like so Zendesk can account for it. Finally, add it to one of the existing categories for intents, and then click Create. The opportunities here are endless. You could create a trigger that automatically updates one of your custom ticket fields for ticket category. Or perhaps you want to create a trigger that automatically routes this ticket to the fundraising team. Or perhaps you want to set up an auto-reply that automatically thanks the requester for increasing their donation. As a final tip, you can also disable intents, including the default ones. This is particularly useful if Zendesk is accidentally assigning intents to the wrong tickets. Thanks for watching, and let us know how you get on with this feature in the comments below.